In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix webcam issues in Zoom. If you're experiencing problems with your webcam during your Zoom meetings, you've come to the right place. We'll go through some easy steps to get everything sorted out, and by the end of this guide, you should be able to get your webcam working smoothly once again. First and foremost, make sure you have the Zoom desktop app open on your computer. If it's not already open, just locate the icon and double-click it to get started. Once you've opened the Zoom app, you should see your profile icon situated at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and give that a click. This will bring up a menu with various options related to your Zoom account settings. Next, let's dive into those settings by selecting the option aptly named Settings. It's crucial that we adjust these settings to ensure your camera is functioning correctly. Now, in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Videos and Effects. This is where you'll find everything related to your video setup. Once you're there, carefully check to make sure the correct camera is selected from the drop-down menu. Sometimes computers with multiple cameras, such as a laptop and an external webcam, can automatically select the wrong one, which can cause a bit of confusion. After confirming you have the right camera selected, let's proceed to the next step, which involves ensuring your privacy settings are correctly aligned. Head back to the Settings area if you've navigated away from it. This time, you'll want to click on Privacy and Security. In this section, click on Camera. Here, you'll see a list of applications that have access to your camera. Ensure that Zoom is indeed granted permission to use the camera. If it's not, you can switch it on, so it has the camera access it needs. Now there's one more important step to check: the version of Zoom you are using. It's always best to use the latest version available. So, head over to Zoom's official website to download and install any updates if they are available. If you're continuously encountering issues, another option is to completely uninstall Zoom from your system. Once it's uninstalled, head back to the website and download it afresh. This clean reinstall can often solve persistent issues that updates alone might not fix. With all these steps completed, your webcam issues should be resolved. Now you're better equipped to make the most of your Zoom meetings without any hiccups with your webcam. Thanks for watching, and happy Zooming!